I have a very big God, oh, who is always by my side. A very big God, oh, by my side, by my side. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So, friends and family, today we are making our own powdered pepper. Yes, we are making our own powdered chili pepper, just like what you see here. Just look at how beautiful it is. So let's go. So I have this dried small red chilies here. Trust me, it's very hot. I mean, it's spicy. Yes. So this is about 3 cups of it. So I just transfer into my power blender, blend it, and then we are good to go. So we are done. Just look at how beautiful and smooth it is. Like I said, no additive, no preservative, no color. It is just organic red chilies. Yes, so you can make your own powdered pepper at home and you are going to enjoy it. Okay, so with this, when you are cooking, you just use a little portion of it because this is very hot. I mean, it's spicy. Okay, and it is potent as well. Yeah. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the likes, the support, and how far we have come. If you are new to my channel, kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I love you, and I hope you are going to try making your own powdered pepper at home to save money, to save time, and you are going to enjoy it. Okay, just look at how beautiful. I just love the color, and I know you love it too. Okay, so see you in our next video. Bye bye.